This is Pawan Kumar D, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Department of Mathematics, SRR Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar, Telangana, India. Yeah, last session we discussed what is differential equation, solution of differential equation by using variable separable methods and homogeneous methods. Here in this session we discuss exact differential equations. A differential equation is in the form of mdx plus ndy is equal to 0 is said to be exact if it can be derived from its primitive, that is general solution, directly by differentiation without any subsequent multiplication or elimination. That is, example is y dx plus x dy is equal to 0 is exact. Yeah, this is the derivative of xy. Derivative of xy is y dx plus x dy. Here we have to integrate it on both sides. We are getting xy is equal to c. Here y dx plus x dy is equal to 0 is a exact differential equation. Here suppose the given first order differential equation is exact or not. We will say that is mdx plus ndy is equal to 0 is exact dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. This condition is satisfied. The given differential equation is exact differential equation. The general solution of exact differential equation is integrated directly. Here first term integration of mdx. Here we are doing integration with respect to x. Y is the constant. Integration with respect to y. Here we have to eliminate the x terms. X variable is involved. That term you have to eliminate it. The remaining term you have to integrate it with respect to y is equal to c. Here after integration we are getting the general solution of the mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. Here solve the differential equation dy by dx plus ax plus hy plus g by hx plus by plus f is equal to 0, or ax plus hy plus gd of dx plus hx plus by plus f dy equal to 0. Here this is in the form of mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. Here m is ax plus hy plus g, n is hx plus by plus f. Here dou m by dou y. Here we are doing the derivative with respect to y. Here x is goes to a constant, that is ax is 0, h is a constant, derivative with respect to y is 1, g is a constant 0. Similarly dou n by dou x, we are doing derivative with respect to x. Here y is the constant, here by and f are 0, hx derivative is h. Here both are equal, that is dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore the given equation is exact differential equation. Here now we have to integrate it. Integration of mdx plus integration of ndy is equal to 0. Here first term y is the constant, and second term you have to eliminate the x terms, that is in hx we have to remove it. That is a integration of x is x square by 2 plus hy integration of 1 is x plus g into integration of 1 is x plus b by square by 2 plus fy is equal to c. We are getting the ax square plus 2hxy plus 2gx plus by square plus 2fy is equal to 2c. Yeah, this is the solution of the given differential equation. Yeah, that is the exact differential equation. We have to integrate it directly. We are getting the solution. Some condition is there. We are doing integration with respect to x, y is the constant. Integration with respect to y, we have to eliminate the x terms. We are getting the result. Yeah, next application. Solve the differential equation 1 plus e power x by y dx plus e power x by y of 1 minus x by y dy equal to 0. Here this is in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Here m is the 1 plus e power x by y, n is the e power x by y of 1 minus x by y. We have to integrate differentiate it with respect to y of m, that is e power x by y minus x. Here 1 by y derivative is minus 1 by y square. Dou n by dou x is this one. E power uv method we have to apply. E power x by y 1 by y minus 1 by y e power x by y plus x by y e power x by y 1 by y. That is dou n by dou x is equal to minus x by y square e power x by y. Here dou m by dou y is equal to n by dou x. The solution of one is integration with m dx plus n dy is equal to c. Y is the constant. 1 plus e power x by y dx plus e power x by y of 1 minus x by y dy equal to c. 1 plus e power x by y dx. Here x terms are invalued. This term is goes to 0. Therefore integration of 1 is x plus e power x by y of into 1 by y, that is equal to x plus y e power x by y is equal to c. Yeah, this is the solution of the given differential equation. Yeah, that is the exact differential equation. Dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x is satisfied. Next we have to integrate it. Here in y all terms, that is two terms, are involved x, that is 0. Here there is no n here with respect to y, integration with respect to y. Here directly we have to integrating m. The solution, that result is the solution of the given differential equation. Yeah, next application. X dx plus y dy is plus x dy minus y dx by x square plus y square equal to 0. Yeah, this can be written in the form of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. Here m is the x minus y by x square plus y square. N is the y plus x by x square plus y square. Here dou m by dou y is, we have to derivative with respect to y. X is 0. Here we have to apply u by v method. We are getting the result x square plus y square minus 4x square, sorry, x into 2x by x square plus y square whole square. Yeah, that is equal to y square minus x square by x square plus y square whole square. Here dou n by dou x is y square minus x square by x square plus y square whole square. Here dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore the solution of one is, here integration of m dx, y is the constant, plus integration of n dy, we have to remove the x terms, is equal to c. Here x term is involved, this is 0. Here integration of y dy is y square by 2 is equal to c. Integration of x is x square by 2. Here y is a constant, keep it left hand side. Here integration of 1 by x square plus y square dx is tan inverse x by y. We are getting this result. Here the final solution is x square minus 2y tan inverse x by y plus y square is equal to 2c. Yeah, this is the solution of the given differential equation. The given differential equation is in the form of a exact differential equation form. Its solution is this one. Here solve the differential equation m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, where m is equal to sin x cos y plus e power 2x, n is equal to cos x sin y plus tan y. Here dou m by dou y is equal to here sin x sin y, that is 0. Dou n by dou x is equal to tan y is 0 minus sin x sin y. Here both are equal. Dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. The solution of one is, we are integration of m dx plus integration of n dy is equal to c. That solution is minus cos y cos x plus log of secant y plus e power integration of e power 2x dx is equal to c. Its final solution is minus cos x cos y plus e power 2x by 2 plus log of secant y is equal to c. That is e power 2x by 2 minus cos x cos y plus log of secant y is equal to c. X square minus 2xy minus y square dx minus x square plus y square dy is equal to 0. Here this is in the form of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. Here this is also to find the solution by method of homogeneous differential equation, because the each term in this differential equation having the second degree. Here this is a homogeneous differential equation. By using the homogeneous method, we have to solve it. We get the same solution. We have to check it by condition dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x both are equal, that is exact differential equation. Here in these two cases the solution is same. Here now we are doing the exact differential equation form. Here that is, we have to derivate it with respect to y of m is equal to minus 2x minus 2y, sorry, dou m by dou y is minus 2x minus 2y, that is minus 2 of x plus y. Dou n by dou x is minus 2 of x plus y, both are equal. Here that is, the solution of one is integration of m dx plus integration of n dy is equal to c. You have to get the solution x square minus 2xy minus y square dx plus, here x terms we have to remove it, minus integration of y square dy is equal to c. We have to integrate it. We are getting the final solution x cube minus y cube minus 3x x plus y is equal to c. You have to use the basic integration formulas. We are getting the result. E power y plus 1 of cos x dx plus e power y sin x dy is equal to 0. Here this is in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0. M is equal to this one, that is e power y plus 1 of cos x, n equal to e power y sin x. Dou m by dou y is e power y cos x, dou n by dou x is equal to e power y cos x. Both are equal. Dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. The solution of one is integration of m dx plus integration of n dy is equal to c. Here n is, here x term is involved, the integration of is 0. Here that is integration of e power y plus 1 of cos x dx, that is e power y plus 1 is a constant, keep it outside. Integration of cos x is sin x is equal to 0, that is sin x of e power y plus 1 is equal to c. Yeah, this is the exact differential equation and its applications. Here suppose the condition is not equal, that is the differential equation is in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0. The condition is dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x, that is goes to a non-exact differential equation. Yeah, next session we discuss the non-exact differential equations by different methods. Yeah, that is integrating factors. By using the integrating factor of different methods we'll discuss in the next session.